Here is the summary of Indigo Chapter Class 12, CBSE Flamingo Textbook.
This story describes Gandhiji's struggle for the poor peasants of the Champaran. In those days, most of the arable land in Champaran district was divided into two large estates owned by Englishmen and worked by Indian tenants. The chief commercial crop was indigo. The landlords compelled all tenants to plant 15% of their indigo and surrender the entire indigo harvest as rent. This was done by long term contract. The Britishers didn't need indigo crop anymore when Germany had developed synthetic indigo. Just to release the peasants from 15% agreement, they demanded compensation. Some illiterate peasants agreed, but others refused. One of the sharecroppers, named Rajkumar Shukla, met Gandhi in his regard and compelled him to visit Champaran because of the long term injustice done by the landlords. Then the two of them boarded a train for the city of Patna in Bihar. From there, Rajkumar Shukla led him to the house of the lawyer named Rajendra Prasad. Mahatma Gandhiji's humble and simple attire made servants mistook him as another poor peasant. He surveyed before talking and taking any vital step in order to get those peasants justice. It was a time when British government punished those who in any condition gave the shelter to the national leaders or protesters. Gandhiji's arrival and the nature of his mission spread like a wildfire. Many lawyers and peasants groups came in large numbers to support him. The lawyers accepted that the fact that they are charging were too high and very big fee, and for the poor peasant it would be irksome. Gandhiji rebuked them from collecting big fee from the poor sharecroppers. He stressed on counseling as this would give the peasants enough confidence to fight their fear. He managed to get justice after a year long battle for the peasants. He also made arrangements for the education, health, and hygiene for the families of the poor peasants. He gave them this lesson of self reliance. Gist of the lesson: Rajkumar Shukla, a poor sharecropper from Champaran, wishing to meet Gandhiji. Rajkumar Shukla was a illiterate but resolute, hence followed Gandhiji to Lucknow, Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Patna, Muzaffarpur, and then Champaran. Servants of the Rajendra Prasad residence thought Gandhiji to be an untouchable. Gandhiji is considered as an untouchable because he was living simple lifestyle and wearing simple clothes due to the company of the Rajkumar Shukla. Decided to go to the Muzaffar first to get the detailed information about Champaran sharecropper. Sent telegram to J.P. Kripalani and stayed in Prof. Malkani's home, a government servant. Indians were afraid of showing sympathy to the supporters of Home Rule. The news of Gandhiji's arrival spread. Sharecroppers gathered in large number to meet their champion. Gandhiji chided the Muzaffarpur lawyer for taking high fee. Champaran district was divided into estates owned by the English people and Indians only tenant farmers. Landlords compelled tenants to plant 15% of their land with indigo and surrender their entire harvest as rent. In meantime, Germany had developed synthetic indigo. British landlords freed the Indian farmers from 15% agreement but asked them to pay the compensation. Many signed, some resisted, engaged lawyers, and landlords hired thugs. Gandhiji reached Champaran, visited the secretary of the British Landlord Association to get the facts that, but it was denied as he was an outsider. Gandhiji went to the British official commissioner who had asked him to leave the Tirhut. Tirhut was a division. So Gandhiji, disobeyed, went to Motihari, which was the capital of Champaran, where vast multitude greeted him, continued his investigations. Visited maltreated villages, stopped by the police superintendent but disobeyed the order. Motihari, black with the peasants, spontaneous demonstrations, Gandhiji released without bail. Civil disobedience movement was trumped. Gandhiji agreed to 25% refund by the landowners or landlords. It was symbolized under the surrender of the prestige. Gandhiji worked hard towards the social, economic reforms, evaluated the distress aided by his wife, Mahadev Sai Desai and Narhari Parikh. Gandhiji taught a lesson of self-reliance, but not by not seeking help of an Englishman, Mr. Andrews. Thank you. That is the summary of Indigo. I hope you have understood. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and please do comment down below, and please do press the bell icon.